Hi, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I'm going to be participating in a tag issued by Karen Deneen, and her channel name is also Karen Deneen. She called it the YouTube Creator Tag. Although she's had her account for a while, she's a relatively new YouTube creator, and she created this tag so that people could get to know her and what her channel's about. And since I'm also a relatively new creator, I thought I would participate. So let's get going. So I have the questions set up on my iPad over to my right, so that's why I'll be looking down periodically so that I can check out and make sure I've got the question right. So let's start with number 1. How did you decide on your YouTube channel name? Well, I was trying to think of a name that would stand out. I wanted to connote that this was a channel about taking care of your home, all aspects of your home, decorating, remodeling, cleaning, organizing, decluttering, but to do it in a fun manner so that it wasn't, some of the things like cleaning and organizing didn't seem like such a drudge. So I tried to think of what I could do, and I really like tablescaping, and I thought, well, why just limit that to tables? Why not say you're scaping your whole home? And that's where I came up with the concept of homescaping. And I thought Creative Homescaping had a catchy ring to it. So that's how I came up with the name of my channel. 2, what is your channel all about? Well, I kind of just described that. My catchline that I've come up with recently is that I promote content or have content that shows you ways to creatively decorate and manage your home. So I'll post videos on tablescapes, decluttering and organizing, remodeling projects, DIYs, crafts, maybe a few cook with me's, party prep, those sorts of things. Anything that goes with taking care of your home, entertaining in your home, and decorating your home so that you create a space that you love. 3, what equipment do you use to make your videos? Well, to film my videos currently, I'm actually using my Google Pixel phone. It seems to have a really good camera on it for a phone camera, and what I like about it is that the photos I take and the videos, they get backed up to the Google Cloud automatically, and so they're already online, and I don't really need to worry about backing them up. I know they're stored, and then it's very easy for me to download and edit them. I do my editing on my laptop, and I'm currently using Roxy, a video software, because that's what I happen to have on hand. How long have you been a creator? Well, right now we're just before Mother's Day, and I started towards the end of March, so I think it's been about 6 weeks, and I'm really excited because I just passed the 100 subscriber mark after 6 weeks. I think that's a pretty good rate of getting subscribers. I've been trying to participate in a lot of collabs and challenges so people get to see my channel more than they would have if I just had to try to post videos on my own and have them come across me. So I will be talking about a 100 subscriber giveaway in an upcoming video. I'm still planning it out, but I really want to thank all of those people who have subscribed to my channel, and let me know in the comments down below what sort of videos you might like to see me do in the future. Are you on any other social media? Yes, I am on Instagram. I just set up my Creative Homescaping Instagram account. It's under the name Creative Homescaping. And I do have a Facebook page for Creative Homescaping, but I haven't really been posting that frequently to it. Maybe now that I'm on Instagram, I'll start to share those posts with Facebook, but I haven't really done so yet. But do check out my Instagram account if you would like to follow me. I will probably be posting pictures there, previews of what my videos are, and maybe a few other photos that I happen to like. Like the other day I posted a sunset that was just gorgeous near my house. The last question is number 6. Do you have any other channels here on YouTube? No, this is my only channel. I have just started to become a YouTube creator, and I think one channel is enough for now. So that's the end of the list, and let's close out this video. Thank you for joining me today as I participated in this YouTube Creator Tag by Karen Deneen. She has a new channel, well, not new, she's been on YouTube for a while, but she's just recently started to become a creator. And she has a few more subscribers than I do, but she's also starting out. So I will put a link to her channel and also the tag down below. And if you're a relatively new YouTube creator, or even if you're an existing creator that has a few thousand subscribers, why don't you participate in this tag as well? I think you'd have a lot of fun doing it, and it would get your audience to know you a little bit better. I appreciate your tuning in today, and if you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing by clicking the link down below. I do post videos several times a week on the content I mentioned earlier in this video. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.